Back to my channel. I have a very beautiful dupattas haul today for you guys. So a lot of you guys have been asking about dupattas of different types, not just Banaras and Kanchipuram dupattas. So today I have a mix of like casual budget friendly dupattas and some really beautiful heavy work dupattas, party wears and weddings as well. So let's begin, and first I'll start with like basic everyday ones and from budget friendly ones, and the others are a little pricey because of the work that they have. All of these are from Amazon and the links will be in the description box, so you can check them out. Now let's begin. So let's start with this one. This is a pretty everyday dupatta and this is a khadi silk dupatta. So I thought it'll be nice for summer to wear for a daily use. So this is what it looks like. It has a really nice camel print here and even in the border. It gives a very nice look and it's very lightweight because it's khadi silk. Here also in the border it has this print. So this is what it looks like, very pretty, and as you can see it looks very nice when worn with white. It gives a very classy look. At the same time it is super inexpensive. I think this is like $199. So these vary also when there's a sale, so do keep an eye out. And yeah, I think it looks so gorgeous. It's a very lightweight fabric, so it's really nice for summer as well. You can even wear it with black or beige. You can even wear it with like different shades of blues. I think it would look really nice. So even in this part actually it's looking really pretty, and the color is also very beautiful. They have a lot of colors in these khadi silk dupattas, so there's a lot of options if you're looking for something budget friendly. And the fabric is also like pretty good, especially for the price. I think it's amazing. So it's not very flimsy or anything. The quality is actually pretty good. I have a couple of dupattas of this sort. They're very nice for like everyday casual use. Next we have another really beautiful dupatta. So this has Pichwai digital print. That's the reason I got it. Again, several colors and designs are available in this. And this is a Banarasi Chanderi Pichwai digital printed dupatta. So this is priced at 549 rupees. Again, depends if there's a bigger sale, then you might get it for a lesser price. Right now also there is a discount going on. So this is again a very beautiful dupatta. I have seen a couple of prints in this, but I really wanted to get the Pichwai cow print one, and just look at this. It looks so pretty and it's like one of its kind, just so beautiful. You can again wear it for like casual everyday use, or you can even wear it for, you know, slightly party wear occasions as well. So I'm wearing it ulta. Upside down. So yeah, here you can see the cows. It is similar to the Pichwai painting, but this is a digital print only. That's why it is priced only at 500. The hand painted ones are of course pretty expensive, but this gives a very similar look. Just look at this. It is so beautiful. And the fabric is again really good. The quality is really good and it's very lightweight, so you can just casually wear it like this on a daily basis. You can wear it with like basic Lucknow chikankari kurtas or any white kurta. You can even style it with a red kurta or a green kurta also if you want to wear something brighter colors. Even with black, I think it would look really nice. A very pretty one. This is also a very good option. So I think this is one of those must tries. They have different colors, but the cow Pichwai print is available only in red, and I really wanted to get this. Moving on to another affordable dupatta. I thought the color was so beautiful. This one is a Banarasi style dupatta, but a little more budget friendly than the usual Banaras dupatta. So I wanted to show you guys a couple of options so that you get some budget friendly options as well, and you also see some heavy work dupattas for the wedding season as well. So this absolutely can be worn for like weddings or like pujas and functions. So you can wear it with like a pink kurta or a peach or orange kurta as well. It looks nice even with white and black also, but on white I think because it's a lighter color, it is a little subtle, but perfect for like summer weddings of course. And you can wear beautiful gold accessories and style it, and it would look so beautiful. Just look at this. It gives such a beautiful, elegant look. This also is available in so many different colors. The exact same piece. So here you can see the weaving. Here it has peacocks and a lot of beautiful work here. So this one is available in like pink, peach and so many different colors. If you are looking for like a fancy dupatta which is still a little subtle and inexpensive, then you should definitely try this. The quality is actually pretty good. It is not one of those pure Banarasi silks, of course. So this is a Banarasi Kora silk dupatta, and this one was for 399 rupees. First I was a little skeptical because it was 399. I wasn't sure how it would look, but this is absolutely gorgeous. Now comes one of my favorite dupattas from this haul. This is just so beautiful, you guys. This is a very beautiful purple shade, and I don't have a purple dupatta. I have been meaning to get a purple Banarasi dupatta. Look at this, it's so gorgeous. In the border it has all this work, and also there is a little of this gota detailing. Very beautifully done. Even the finishing is so beautiful. Look at this work. It looks stunning. You can wear this for weddings. It would go really well with like white and even a light green shade. The green dupatta which I showed you guys, with that color also it would go really well. And I think yellow and this purple make a very beautiful combination. So you can wear it with a yellow lehenga or a anarkali. It's a very heavy, beautiful dupatta in terms of work, but it is very lightweight. I picked up a lightweight one so that I can show you guys options for summer weddings. So it's still going to be hot for a while, right? Even though it is almost May end. Yeah, unless we have really early monsoon like expected. So it is so beautiful. This is definitely a must try. It has weaving. All this is weaving only. So this is not print. All this is weaving, and it is silver and gold. So you can wear it with a dress or a lehenga which has both silver work or gold work also. And look at this, it looks so classy. Absolutely love it. It's a little expensive, but the work is so stunning that I think it's totally worth it. So this is not Banarasi silk, I think. I'm not very sure, but it just says silk jacquard dupatta in plain weave. So I got this for 1200, I think 1200 something. So the price keeps varying because of the sale. So I think it's absolutely worth it, because most of the Banarasi dupattas which give this exact look, I think they are priced around 2000 at least. So I think that's a very good deal. They have different colors available in this. So the exact same design with this border and with this gota border and everything, the exact same design, it's available in a darker green, but I think they have similar designs in a light pink, peach and a lot of different colors. And I think this brand also has Banarasi saris. So do check out this brand. I think it's a very beautiful dupatta. It's very dreamy, especially because I've been looking to add a purple dupatta to my collection and I haven't been finding a very good Banarasi dupatta. I have a Kanjivaram dupatta that's too heavy. I wanted something a little simple and subtle, and this is perfect. And it's perfect for like summer weddings, or if you like light weight dupattas. The work is absolutely stunning. I think it's very, very dreamy. Do get your hands on this. I think the price is also totally worth it. Just look at this. So gorgeous. Now lastly, we have another favorite of mine. This is again a very beautiful dupatta, you guys. So stunning, and I cannot believe I found this on Amazon. You see such dupattas a lot in local fairs and markets, right? And in Hyderabad, I think only during exhibition like the Nampally exhibition or Shilparamam, you usually see such collection. And also I think the quality also might vary. I already have one dupatta of this kind, and the work that this has is absolutely stunning. I think what I have is much lighter, so it's a very beautiful fabric. The quality of the fabric is also really good, and there is a lot of work here. It is absolutely stunning. Again, perfect for like summers. Quite kind of lightweight, not too heavy when you carry it, but work wise it is so beautiful. I think the color combination is also so stunning. You can wear it with pink, you can wear it with white. I can style it with exactly what I'm wearing right now, and I think it would look stunning. It's so beautiful, you guys. So I recently got one during Nampally exhibition, I think for about 600-700, and there's a huge difference in the work and the quality. I have one more which I got for 1500 from I think one of those exhibitions at N Convention or Novotel, and that one is very beautiful, but even that doesn't have such heavy work, so I think the price is still worth it. So I think I paid around 2000 or 1800 for this. I'll put the prices here because I'm not able to recollect, but yeah, I was still a little skeptical how the quality is going to turn out and if it is a little too expensive, but I think after seeing how beautiful it looks, I think the price is worth it. You definitely must have such beautiful dupattas in your collection. So this is a Chanderi Phulkari dupatta. So if you don't have a Phulkari dupatta in your wardrobe and if you're looking to add one, then this is perfect because the work, everything is stunning. The finishing, everything is so beautifully done. It looks amazing. I'll try and show it to you in the outside sunlight. Right now I'm shooting inside the room with the studio light, and still it looks stunning, but I think it'll be perfect for daytime occasions. Like you can wear a white chikankari kurta like this and style it, or a georgette chikankari or some dress, and you can even style it for like heavier occasions, like if you are wearing a proper anarkali also. I think this would look really nice. This is Chanderi fabric. The fabric quality is great, the work, everything is amazing. So I was just telling that I have another dupatta which is for 1500. The work on that is also beautiful, but I think this is even more heavier. So initially I saw a light blue in this on Amazon, and it was lying in my cart, but because it is I think it was 1900, so I wasn't really sure if I should get it, and in the meantime that was sold out. So I immediately added this to my cart, and I think it's totally worth it. And I think it's again versatile also, and if you're looking to add a Phulkari dupatta in your wardrobe, then this is great. We all, I think, sort of look to add dupattas from different places, right? Banarasi dupattas and ikat dupattas, like from different places in India. Like every place has different and beautiful work, right? So I think Phulkari, I just have like 2 or 3, and each one is of course unique. This has to be my favorite and the most stunning piece so far. So definitely have a look at it, and I think should get it. And they have a lot of colors, by the way. They have like subtle sober colors like this, summer colors, and they have them in black and multicolors and everything. So there's a lot of options. I'll try and put screenshots here, and there are other options as well in which are quite budget friendly, but I just thought this was something that I wanted to add in my wardrobe. So if you're looking for something heavy, then you can get this. Otherwise also I'll try and leave some other links as well so that you can see some options in different price ranges. And there's a lot of Phulkari collection. There's a lot of collection on Amazon, so you can check them out. So that was the last product for today's video. I hope this was useful. Do check out the links in the description box in case you would like to get any of these. And that is it for today's video, you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to try anything else from Amazon. Amazon has really good collection. You can literally find anything and everything there. We just have to look. So I have a summer wedding video also coming up probably this week. Let me know in the comments comments below what other videos you would like to watch. And yeah, that is it for today's video, you guys. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and a lot of haul videos, styling videos, vlogs and everything is coming up. And also do find me on Instagram for quick updates and a lot of styling reels and even shopping videos. So do follow me there as well, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.